Hello guys, this is the new integrated amplifier from Exposure, the 5510, the top of the line, and we're gonna take a look here. This amplifier is designed to deliver hi-fi performance with the simplicity of a single chassis. It has an OLED display in front and the volume control and the source selector on the other side. This is a true integrated amplifier. Has preamp and power amp in one enclosure. This is the remote control. So the signal path is clean, minimal cable lengths, and the design is to achieve clarity, stability, and low noise. We are taking a look inside to see the components of the amplifier. The output watts are 120 per channel, the manufacturer says. It has 4 capacitors, as you can see. The transistors are on the heatsink. It has a massive transformer there. You see the thickness of the transformers and all the components minimal in any aspect here. The chassis is aluminum, so it's very well made, very well manufactured in the UK. Noise performance here is the key focus. Exposure uses custom toroidal transformer for low noise. The result is the black background noise. It's very low, so allows micro detail to emerge cleanly. Operation is straightforward, as we said. We're using the OLED display in front. It's a very powerful amplifier. The key thing, as we said, is low noise. Modular platform. We see here how the terminals are connected. The transistors are from Toshiba. There, a global look from above of internal. And then we took the amplifier to the lab and we measured at 1% of distortion, almost 110 watts. So that's a straightforward amplifier for the 2026 from Exposure. Very nice design, very well executed. Thanks for watching.